Looking for a natural, budget-friendly alternative to chemical hair products to give your hair a nice treatment? Try DIY herbal hair rinses. These herbal concoctions are like a spa day for your hair and will make your strands healthy. Let's get into it. Sage Rinse. This magical potion for your hair offers a ton of benefits that you'll absolutely love. How does it help? First, sage promotes hair growth. Its vitamin and mineral-rich properties stimulate your hair follicles and get those locks growing faster than you can say Rapunzel. Okay, perhaps not that fast, but it definitely works. Sage also prevents hair loss by strengthening your hair and preventing breakage. Say goodbye to those pesky strands that split up or keep falling out, and hello to a fuller, more voluminous head of hair. Not to forget, sage is a natural conditioner that softens and smoothens your locks, while adding a lovely shine that'll make you feel like a superstar. What else does it do? It can also help reduce the appearance of gray hair and prevent premature graying. Sage is also fantastic for soothing any scalp irritation or dandruff you might have. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help balance your scalp's pH and reduce flakiness and itchiness. No more scratching your head like a monkey. Last but not least, sage can be used as a natural hair dye that imparts a gorgeous brownish tint to your hair. It's like a 2-in-1 deal, healthier hair and a fabulous new color. Wow! So with all these benefits, it's worth a try. How do you use it? First, grab 1/4 cup of fresh or dried sage leaves, 2 cups of water, and let's not forget the other magical ingredient, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, which is optional but highly recommended. Next, toss the sage leaves into a pot of boiling water and let them simmer on low heat for about 20 minutes. This is where the magic happens. Once your potion is done simmering, strain out those sage leaves and pour the liquid into a jar or bottle. Then add in the apple cider vinegar for an extra hair-boosting kick. Now let it cool and it's ready to use. After shampooing your hair, pour the sage rinse all over your hair and scalp. Make sure to soak every strand and let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing it off with cool water. Give your hair this royal treatment once a week to leave it feeling silky, shiny, and amazing. Chamomile Rinse. This little flower power does wonders for your luscious locks. First, if you're dealing with an itchy, irritated scalp or pesky dandruff, chamomile's got your back. Its anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties will soothe your scalp in no time. If you're looking to grow your hair, chamomile can be your trusty sidekick. It's a hair follicle stimulator, which means it can help promote healthy hair growth. Are you a natural blonde or light brown? Chamomile can help enhance those gorgeous highlights of yours. What else? It's got natural oils that will make your hair shine bright like a diamond. Speaking of shine, chamomile can also help moisturize and condition your hair, leaving it feeling soft and manageable. So, say goodbye to dull, lifeless locks. Finally, chamomile can help strengthen your hair, reduce breakage and split ends. Strong, healthy hair? Yes, please! So what are you waiting for? Let's get brewing. First, grab 1/4 cup dried chamomile flowers or 2 to 5 tea bags. Next, boil 2 cups of water in a pot and add your chamomile flowers or tea bags to the mix. Let it simmer and brew for about 20 to 30 minutes. P.S. Your kitchen is about to smell like a spa. You're welcome! After it's done, strain out any solids using a fine mesh sieve. If you want to add a little extra oomph, add in a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and give it a good stir. Once it's cooled down, transfer the mixture into a bottle or jar and pop it into the fridge until you're ready to use it. When it's hair wash time, shampoo and condition your hair as usual. Then, pour the chamomile goodness over your hair and let it soak in for a few minutes. Rinse with cool water and voila! You're left with soft, shiny, and oh-so-smooth locks. Who knew a simple flower could do such magic on your hair? So add in the magic of this ingredient to your hair care and give your locks a healthier look. Enjoying these tips? Give us a virtual high five by hitting that like button. YouTube will share this video to more people to help them as well. All thanks to you. Calendula Rinse. This stuff is the bee's knees when it comes to hair care. But what is calendula? First things first, calendula is a powerhouse herb that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. When used as a hair rinse, it can work wonders for your hair. If you're feeling like your scalp is in need of some serious help, calendula is the way to go. Its anti-inflammatory properties can calm that scalp of yours, reduce any irritation and dandruff, and make you feel less itchy. Calendula contains antioxidants that will protect your hair follicles from damage and encourage new hair growth. Its moisturizing properties will leave your hair feeling silky smooth and looking great. Calendula can help strengthen your hair, reduce breakage and split ends. Say hello to healthy, strong strands. So how do you enjoy the benefits of this amazing herb? First, gather up your ingredients: dried calendula flowers, boiling water, and a drop or two of essential oils such as lavender or rosemary. Next, steep those gorgeous calendula flowers in boiling water and let the magic happen. Once it's cooled down, add in the drops of essential oil if wanted, and it's time to pour that delicious infusion over your locks. Massage it in, let it sit for a few minutes, maybe do a little dance or sing a song, and rinse it out with cool water. And voila! You've just treated your hair to a little bit of herbal heaven. Your hair will thank you with a big, bright shine. Pro tip: a secret to make sure your hair rinses give you all the powers it has to give is to detangle your hair before using the hair rinse to ensure it passes through all of your strands. For that, you'll love the results of TangleGenie. It's designed to prevent hair from breakage, pulling, and tugging. Be sure to give this amazing detangler a try for tangle-free hair and to escape the heavy damage other detangling methods can cause. Want to stay up to date on all the best tips to achieve healthy, lustrous hair? Go ahead and subscribe to keep going on this hair journey. Basil Rinse. The fresh smell of basil. This herb is not just for your pasta sauce, friends. Basil has some amazing benefits for your lovely hair. First, basil is like a cheerleader for your scalp, boosting blood circulation and stimulating hair growth. Plus, it's like a superhero for weak and brittle hair with its arsenal of vitamins A, C, and E to strengthen and prevent breakage. What else? Say goodbye to pesky dandruff with basil's antifungal and antibacterial powers. It's like having a tiny army of soldiers fighting on your scalp's behalf. And if that wasn't enough, basil brings the bling with its natural oils, adding shine to dull hair, which makes hair look like it's been kissed by the sun. Finally, basil's cooling and calming properties soothe any irritation and leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Let's get to the kitchen. How do you use it? First, grab a handful of fresh basil leaves and give them a good chop. They don't have to be perfect, just rough and ready to work their magic. Next, boil 2 cups of water in a saucepan and throw in the chopped basil leaves. Let the mixture simmer and infuse for 15 to 20 minutes while you dance around in the kitchen. Optional, but highly recommended. Remove from heat and let cool. Strain the mixture to separate the liquid from the leaves. Pour the liquid into a jar. After shampooing and conditioning your hair, pour the basil rinse over your head and let it soak in for a few minutes. Rinse it out with cool water and marvel at your shiny, happy locks. Your hair will thank you for this refreshing, all-natural treat. Which hair rinse will you try? Do you know any other rinses that are wonderful to use? Leave it in the comments. We love sharing tips with everyone. And since healthy hair starts from within, be sure to check out this previous video to know which foods are best to eat for beautiful, healthy hair. Subscribe to stay ahead on any future tips to achieve healthy hair. Happy, healthy hair journey!